Antonio, it's the Spokane Police. You're under arrest. Oh shit, look out, look out, look out! Call it out.
448. Lincoln and Maxwell with Antonio Davis going southbound on Lincoln.
He's in the Dodge Avenger.
He's in the blue Dodge Avenger. Southbound on Lincoln. North on Monroe from Sharp.
North on Monroe from Sharp.
Cinto.
Just wrecked out.
Any vehicle just ran.
Hold on. Just get a perimeter. Hey, stop! I'll shoot you! I will shoot you! Don't move! 44, we got shots fired. Shots fired. Don't move! Put your arms out like an airplane.
I can't move. I can't move. Oh my God. Oh my God.
There, we got him down right by our cars. Clear that car. Hey, there's one more outstanding. We don't know who he is, but be careful. In fact, before we get him, we need to clear that yard. Another black male ran.
Keep your hands where we can see him. I got him right here. Harry, watch there. Right here. Between houses. Right here in the grass. Harry, stay here and watch that.
Give us cover there. Do not move.
Description on the guy that took off.
Black male, dark shirt, jeans.
Black male with a dark shirt, jeans.
Northbound through the yard.
Yeah. Antonio is down. The other male, we don't know who he is. He was a passenger. Hey, you got any guns on you, Antonio? Hey, do you have any guns on you?
328, we're good here.
A gun on you. Shut the fuck up.
I have nothing on me, man.
Get your arm out like an airplane. Contact team?
Yeah, I got hands.
Hold on. We're going to actually cover here.
Dark shirt, jeans is all we got so far.
You guys put up if we got him here?
The male passenger took off.
44.
44, go ahead.
Our target, Davis, is down. He's conscious. We need to get him into custody. Don't know who the other male is.
It's 312, be careful. 1022 West Central number D is friendly to Davis.
Who here has a shield? Who here has a shield? 44, I want a ballistic shield to our stop so we can get him into custody.
21, I got it. Was third shift secured already?
They're all here.
that are on duty right now still. Go and get this whole picture.
Where I want you is to go the other side of him and block that fence.
Got it.
Okay? On me. Yep. Block that fence. Get those arms out, Antonio. Get those arms out. Do not move.
I can't move. It's the right one. It's bleeding everywhere. You gotta get the pressure off the right.
Search him.
Let go of the ring. Oh, shit.
Hey, we gotta roll you and make sure you don't have anything on you, okay, sir?
Don't move the oar.
Okay, I gotta roll your legs over there. Help me.
Don't move the oar.
Okay, I know you gotta help me roll over there.
Okay, you gotta help. You gotta just move me.
Get this arm out. Get this arm out. Antonio, get this arm out.
Oh, shit.
I know, I gotta search you, man.
We will, yeah. We'll start cutting this shit
I
up.
got a medical bag in my right where the Tahoe with the lid open. It's in the driver's side rear door.
You guys hold security.
Hey, I got some guys here in my leg pocket here.
Where's it at? Went to the board.
Are you shot anywhere else, dude?
Watch your hand, all the way
Just in the arm?
Yeah, he just shot me in the arm.
Yeah, well, you shouldn't have ran.
Can I lean back down? I gotta lean back down. It hurts so bad. It hurts so bad. Let me lean back down. Stretch the arm out.
Yeah, I just want it secure. That's all I was worried about. Yeah. I didn't want to chase him down. He jumped the fence, but I wasn't.
Where do you want it?
The way I had it.
I don't know where you had it, man.
Towards you to the left.
Put the Israeli on him. He ain't bleeding that hard, but his humerus is probably broken.
Tell me you're gonna feel some pressure, alright?
This shit hurt.
Yeah.
Why would you shoot me?
What kind of medic stuff do you need there, Nutty?
Why would you shoot?
Just that's fine. We'll get medic. This is a bad spot for medic stuff, so we're gonna walk him out. So give us medics south of the scene in that parking lot.
I know.
Lift your arm
That
up
shit
again.
hurt. I'm trying to fight this.
What's it stuck on?
We don't need to be stuck.
I got it.
Is the guy? Did we have the other guy for anything? Is the other guy wanted?
No, I mean we don't know who he is, so we don't. Yeah.
It's killing me. That shit killing me. Why would you shoot me?
Where's your scene at?
Right here. Yeah, right here.
Why would you?
I know,
Why'd
I'm
you
telling
pull
you.
it in?
I'm trying to secure it on here, big guy.
We got medics coming for you, man, okay? You gotta breathe. You're under arrest right now.
I got one question for you, just so we can work this scene. You went over this way, is that what we're talking
Yes.
about?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, yeah, I know. Then we'll clear that, and then we'll
We do have a problem though, is that kid could be hit.
Why is it so tight?
Okay.
He was,
So tight.
We're not going to track him, though.
no, but I'm just letting you know that he was close. I don't think so, but.
It's got to be tight for pressure, man.
It's gotta
Okay.
be tight, Antonio,
No,
okay?
don't put it too tight.
Okay, I'm done messing with it, alright, fella?
Just have that one.
Yeah.
Are you hitting your else,
Yeah.
Antonio?
Medics aren't coming here. We're gonna walk him out.
I think it's
Okay?
let's stand
You
up
gotta walk
together.
up.
I think it's just the arm.
You gotta stand up.
Help me up.
Okay, I'm gonna grab by your pants, Antonio. Stand up to your knees, Antonio. To your knees, big fella. Up. There we go.
Can you put
better
my
search
shirt
on
over me or something?
Go, let's go. Keep walking.
You gonna put the jacket over my shoulder at least?
Hey, listen. Okay. No more resisting. No more running. Okay.
I'm not running, just help me now.
right.
That's all I want. That's what you're doing, man. Just help me, nigga.
Just relax. Okay.
Wait a minute.
Right to the right, Antonio.
Just grip out the orb. Just grip out the orb.
Hey, who's your buddy? Adam.
I got his right
Okay.
arm, big guy.
Let's go get Tuck. You got him? Get me off him.
ACO, First Michael, Middle School.
Time for a statement.